Keep going, Matthew.
Bye-bye.
Look at Mildred being a fat ass as usual.
Oh yeah.
Look at Michael, paralyzed.
Auntie, the baby.
Well, I'm not paralyzed.
I know. So what? Okay, he's crippled right now. Look at Nana being another fat ass. You're disgusting. And look at Matthew doing the chicken noodle soup while he's trying. And this is me.
Yo, he's looking just like me right now, too. Yo.
You don't have to put your mouth like that.
I know, right? Just like me.
I am so fired up.
You still recording?
Hi, how you doing? Fine. Fat ass. Tastes good. Woo!
No, I was about to lick it, but then I wasn't.
Huh?
Yeah, you nasty. You eat that with gum?
That cake is nasty.
Ew, it tastes gross.